Welcome to online class of Anand Multimedia School and College. Dear students, how are you? Today I will discuss one creative question of chapter 4 of your textbook, class 9 and 10 mathematics. Look at, I have written a creative question 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power 1 minus x equal to 3 and y equal to abth root x to the power a by x to the power b into bcth root x to the power b by x to the power c and cth root x to the power c by x to the power a and z equal to 3 to the power m plus n divided by 3 to the power m 3 to the power m whole to the power m minus 1 divide 9 to the power m plus n divided by 3 to the power m minus 1 whole to the power m plus 1. In the question they have said A, find the value of x from first equation, and question number B they have said show that y plus cube root 64 equal to 5, and finally in the question number C they have said prove that y by z equal to 9. Dear students, now we will do the question number A. Here 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power 1 minus x equal 3. We will find the value of x from this equation. So by the exponent rule we can write here 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power 1 into 2 inverse x equal 3, and then you can write 2 to the power x plus 2 by 2 to the power x plus 2 equal 3, because if we divide 2 to the power x by 2 to the power x then we can get 1, and if we multiply 2 and 1 then we can write 2. Students, now you can cross multiplication, so you can write here 2 to the power x whole square plus 2 equal 3 into 2 to the power x, and we can write 2 to the power x whole square, we can transfer 3 into 2 to the power x in the left hand side, so you can write minus 3 into 2 to the power x plus 2 equal 0. Now we can let 2 to the power x a by a, so you can write here a square minus 3 into a plus 2 equal 0. You can write here let 2 to the power x equal to a. Dear students, I hope that you have understood it easily. Now we can resolve it. Here look at a square minus 2a minus a plus 2 equal 0, and then here look at, we can take common a from the first two terms, so you can write here a into a minus 2, and you can take common minus 1 from the last two terms, so you can write here minus 1 into a minus 2 equal 0, and here we can take common a minus 2, so you can write here a minus 2, and here you can write a, and there you can write minus 1 equal 0. Dear students, now we can write either a minus 2 is equal to 0 or a minus 1 equal to 0. So we can write here, now we can write therefore either a minus 2 equal to 0 or a equal to, or we can put the value of a. Now we can write here 2 to the power x equal to, or you can write 2, here power is 1, so we can write x equal to 1, because in the equation, in any equation if the bases are same we can write the power are same. So we have already found the value of x equal to 1. On the other hand we can write here or a minus 1 equal to 0 or a equal to 1, or you can put the value of a 2 to the power x equal to 1, you can write here 2 to the power 0, because in the left hand side of the equation the base is 2, so you can write 1 in the form of 2 to the power 0. We know x to the power 0 is equal to 1. Same way we can write 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Here look at, the base are same, so you can write here x equal to 0. Therefore the value of x, therefore the value of x is 1 and 0. Dear students, I hope you have understood the question number A. Now we will do the question number B. In the question number B, they have said, show that y plus cube root 64 equal 5. Here look at first we will find the value of y. So you can write here. Now we will write here y equal a bth root x to the power a divided by x to the power b, bth root x to the power b divided by x to the power c into cth root x to the power c divided by x to the power a. Now we know the value of the square root in the power half, and nth root the value is 1 by n. Here bth root or abth root or cth root we can write 1 by ab. At first we can write here x to the power a divided by x to the power b whole to the power 1 by ab. Same way you can write here x to the power b divided by x to the power c 1 by bc into x to the power c divided by x to the power a whole to the power 1 by ca. Now here look at x to the power a by x to the power b. We know the bases are same and the terms are in the form division. So we can write a one base and the power will be subtracted. Look at, so you can write here x to the power a minus b whole to the power 1 by ab. In the same way you can write here x to the power b minus c 1 by bc, and here you can write here x to the power c minus a whole to the power 1 by ca. Look at here x to the power b by x to the power c, here base is same, so you can write here, we can write here only one base is x and power is subtracted. So here we have written b minus c, same way we have written x to the power c minus a whole to the power 1 by ca. We know power and power is multiplied, so we can write here x to the power a minus b divided by ab into x to the power b minus c divided by bc into x to the power c minus a divided by ca. অর্থাৎ আমরা পাওয়ারে গুণ করতে পারি। Here look at the base are same, x to the x and the terms are related in multiplication form, so we can write only one base and the power will be added. So you can write here x to the power a minus b divided by ab plus b minus c divided by bc plus c minus a divided by ca. Here look at, you can write here x to the power, we can do LCM abc, and now here look at, if we divide abc by ab, so you can get c, so we can write c into a minus b plus we can divide abc by bc, we can write a into b minus c, a into b minus c, and then here we can write b into c minus a, because if we divide c abc by ca, then we can get p. Look at here x to the power abc ca minus bc plus ab minus ca plus bc minus ab. If we multiply a minus b by c, then we can get ca minus bc, and if we multiply b minus c by a, then we can get ab minus ca, and if we multiply by c minus a by b, bc minus ab. Now we can write here, look at, plus at ca and minus at ca subtracted is 0, plus bc and minus c subtracted 0, and plus at ab and minus b is 0, 0 by abc, and you can write here x to the power 0, because if we divide 0 by abc, we can write 0, x to the power 0 equal to 1. Now we can write left hand side. Yes students, look at left hand side equal y plus cube root 64. So you can write here the value of y is 1 plus 64, you can write 4 cube, and cube root we can write the power in 1 by 3. So 1 plus 4 into 3 into 1 by 3, so you can write 1 plus 4 equal 5. Therefore left hand side equal right hand side. Right hand side. Now we will do the question number C. Show that y back z equal to 9. We have already found the value of y equal to 1. Now we will find the value of z only, and then you can write the left hand side. First of all, we can write here, say from B we get y equal 1. Now z equal 3 to the power m plus 1, 3 to the power m whole to the power m minus 1 bhag 9 to the power m plus 1, 3 to the power m minus 1 whole to the power m plus 1. We will simplify z. Here look at, I have multiplied the power and power, m into m square, m into minus 1 minus m bhag 9. You can write 3 square and m plus 1. Here look at, the base is 3 and we will multiply the power and power. So you can write here m minus 1 into m plus 1. Look at, now we will multiply here 3 to the power m plus 1, 3 to the power m square minus m bhag 3 to the power 2m plus 2 divided by 3 to the power m square minus 1. Because here look at, we can apply the formula a plus b into a minus b equal a square minus b square. Here a is m and b is 1, so m plus 1 into m minus 1 means that a plus b into a minus b, so you can write here m square minus 1. Now we will make a one base. Look at here, there are two bases, so you can write only one base, and the term is related in division from, so we can subtract it from the first term power. From the first term power, m plus 1 minus m square plus m, because if we multiply by the minus, then the sign will be changed. Bhag 3 to the power 2m plus 2 minus m square plus 1. Same way we can do this. Here look at, m, and we can write here 3 to the power m plus m, 2 to the power m, and we can write minus m square plus 1 divide here 3 to the power 2m minus m square and plus 2 plus 1 plus 3. Here look at, there are two bases and the division sign between them, so we can write only one base 3 and the power will be subtracted. So you can write here 2m minus m square plus 1 minus 2m plus m square minus 3, because if we multiply by minus, then you can write here minus 2m plus m square minus 3. Now we can write here, look at, 2m plus 2m and minus 2m we can subtract it, and plus m square and minus m square we can subtract it. Here we can write 3 to the power plus 1 minus 3, 3 inverse 2. 3 inverse 2 means 1 by 3 square, so you can write here 1 by 9. Now we will write left hand side of the question number C. Left hand side equal y bhag z. We know the value of y equal to 1 and bhag division, the value of z equal to 1 by 9. So you can write 1 multiply 9 by 1 is the 9. Therefore left hand side equal right hand side. Dear students, I hope you have understood this math easily. See you again later. Stay home and be safe. Goodbye.